Okay, now how to create your own game using this template. There was a just video how I did that, but now I just want to show you how you can create your own template. For example, now I have a game, Survivors, and I have a game example. It's two different. Let's create a third one game. I don't know why, just another game with different materials. In order to do that, I will just duplicate this folder. Can I duplicate a folder? Or I have to create. Yeah, I'll just create new folder, and it will be game clone. That is called clone. I don't know why. Okay, game clone, and inside there I will just again copy paste my tables to clone. I will copy them. Then I will create a game instance. Two ways to do that. You can just copy it from here. You can clone it from here, yeah. And this time, let's call it not example, but clone. Clone. And the difference is, let's say, we want a new weapon. And for example, laser. I will just double it without super. No, laser beam, laser plasma. I don't know what. That's just example. So there's a new weapon for this game, and inside game instance I need to update links to tables. So I will use weapon as from clone, yeah, enemies from clone, and mass DT from materials from clone, yeah, they updated. Now I should go to the project settings, and inside project settings I will just change to the clone. Now let's launch a game and see. So at the bottom you can see weapons from my weapons list, and there's two lasers. One of them is the laser, another one is this was plasma that we just created. Easy. So now you have own folder with your game, and if I will update template, and I will we will have some requests and I will do them, no problem. Then you can just tell me, I will do it, I will update template, and then you can just like copy paste, overwrite my folder, and your folder should be fine. Your settings for weapons and stuff like that. Yeah. So I think it's concludes that. Yeah, let me know what you need.